Hey guys, my name is Maggie Osama and I'm here to teach you how to use the extremely powerful Adobe After Effects to create some awesome text animation effects like this. You will get all the project files to work along with. This course is for beginners. If you are a beginner who enjoys learning by doing and wants to start learning text animation in Adobe After Effects with a project-based approach, then join this course. At the end of this course, you will be familiar with Adobe After Effects layout, essential key terms, and basic features. You will acquire different and powerful skills to master text animation in Adobe After Effects. You will be able to create particles text animation using Adobe After Effects. You will be able to create type-on text animation. You will be able to create split text animation, video overlay on text, neon text animation, liquid text animation, text shifting animation, stroke text animation, text on path animation, card wipe text animation with blur, simple animated lower thirds or video titles, and cinematic text title intro animation. You will also learn some important Adobe After Effects shortcuts. What do you get in this course? 2.5 hours of premium After Effects video lesson, downloadable resources, premium support from instructor to answer any questions, and feedback on your own video projects. I'm confident you will learn a lot from this course, and if you're not satisfied, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm here to help you with any questions you may have, wishing you all the best and looking forward to seeing you inside.